Today's temps and sun making for a good golf forecast. This was the scene on the green this morning at Dretska Park in Milwaukee, near the city's border with Menomonee Falls. And as 12 News' Duke Carter reports, it's now officially open for the season.
On a breezy, sunny Sunday at Dretska Golf Course, golfers have been itching to hit the green.
October 31st was the last time I played outside.
How is this wind going to affect the game?
Makes it a little harder, right? Anytime the wind blows, it makes it a little bit more of a challenge. But again, it's just first round out this season, first day open.
How long have you been waiting to get back out here? You seem excited.
Oh man, the whole winter. The whole winter. I like the outdoors.
So despite the windy conditions on this picturesque day, that is not stopping golfers from picking up their clubs, or in this case, putter, just to keep the bogeys down.
We're always looking at the weather early in the season, trying to get people out on the golf courses as quick as possible. Anytime people start seeing a little sunshine and some nice weather, people are itching to get outside and get some exercise, get some swings in.
The good weather also means good business. Golf course staff says it's been busy.
Today's tee sheet, we're pretty much full through about 4:30 today. Had some cancellations with it being a little cooler this morning, but for the most part, once that sun gets up, people are going to be out here playing. Tomorrow, being close to 70 degrees, we're going to be full again tomorrow.
True golfer will play throughout rains, shine, or anything. I said if there's snow, then definitely we're not going to play. But
Reporting in Milwaukee County, Duke Carter, WISN 12 News.